Unlock 3 Unit 8 Economics. Afford, to have enough money to buy or do something. Borrow money, to take money and promise to pay it back later. Come up with, to find and produce something that is needed, usually money. Debt, money which is owed to somebody else. Decision, a choice that somebody makes after thinking about the options. Encourage, to make somebody more likely to do something. Get into, to become involved in something. Invest money, to put money into something to try and earn more money. Loan, an amount of money which you borrow and have to pay back. Lose money, to have less money than you had before. Make money, to earn money. Millionaire, a person who has more than $1 million, pounds, etc. Minimum wage, the lowest pay for an hour's work which a worker can legally be paid. Owe money, to have to pay somebody money which you borrowed. Pay a fine, to pay money as a punishment for not obeying a rule or law. Pay in cash, to pay for something with money, not a credit card. Pay off, to pay the money that you owe. Payment, an amount of money paid. Put aside, to save something, usually money, for a special purpose. Raise money, to collect money from other people, often for charity. Responsible, showing good judgment and able to be trusted. Save money, to keep money for use in the future. Savings, money you keep, usually in a bank. Sense, a quality of being or feeling loyal, responsible, etc. Service, a system which supplies things that people need. Spend money, to give money as a payment for something. Take out, to arrange to get something from a bank or company.